This is question 40 from section B of the 2018 PBSAA paper.
In this question, we're told that a student investigated the tadpole population in a large pond. We're told that he had a net with a rectangular opening measuring 0.1 by 0.2 meters, and that was swept through the water for 1 meter. We're told that this was repeated 10 times. And we're also told that all the sweeps were made at the edge of the pond because the student had no waders or boat to get into the middle. And this table summarises the results that he got. Okay, bearing in mind all of that, we're told that the student made some statements, and we're asked which of the statements he made are correct. So let's take a look at our statements. Firstly, each sweep sampled 0.02 meters cubed of water. So in order to find that out, we need to look at our opening, which is 0.1 by 0.2 meters, and multiply that by 1 meter, because we need a volume, and that will involve all sides of what essentially amounts to a cuboid. So we have times 0.2 times 1, and that gives us 0.02 meters cubed. So we can say that this is correct. Moving on to statement 2, the frequency of occurrence of the tadpoles was 90%. Now, frequency of occurrence is assessing the number of times or the regularity with which there was a positive finding. So let's have a look at our table where, as we were told, there were 10 different repeats, and in each of them, apart from one, in sweep number 4, tadpoles were found, so tadpoles did occur. So the frequency of occurrence is 9 out of 10, and therefore 90%. Moving on to statement 3, an accurate estimate of the population size of the tadpoles in the pond could be calculated using this data if the total volume of water in the pond was known. Now, would we get an accurate estimate? That's the operative word. And since we're already given a qualifier in the question that the result might not be entirely representative of the entire pond because all the sweeps were taken at the edge of the pond because the student can access the middle, it would not necessarily be accurate because it wouldn't be representative of the entire pond. So using this data alone, we couldn't get an accurate reading. So our answer is going to be that only statements 1 and 2 are correct. That gives us our answer, which is option E.